Hello friends, welcome to in our Vedic maths class. Earlier we were talking about the various type of the divisions, multiplications, okay, and today we are going to talk about to find out the squares, and there are the various formulas. Similarly, as well as there were the various formulas in the multiplications, divisions. So friends, here are the 5 type of the formulas. Formula number 1, Sutra Yavdunam Tavdunam. Second one, Sutra Anurupen. Third one, Ekadikan Purvena. And fourth one, Sankalan Vyavakalan. And fifth one, Dvandva Yoga method. It's a clear? So there are the 5 type of the formulas. It's a clear? And we make solutions each type of one question. प्रत्येक प्रकार का एक एक क्वेश्चन हम लोग सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं. So first one, find the square of 93. So which sutra? By Yavdunam Tavdunam. In first question, we will use of the sutra Yavdunam Tavdunam. यहाँ पर हम लोग Yavdunam Tavdunam, because यहाँ 5 फार्मूलाज हैं, इसलिए एक एक फार्मूले को हम लोग यहाँ यूज करने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फाइंड द बेस. व्हाट इज द बेस? सो बेस इज 10. सेकेंड वन इज सब बेस, and sub base is 10 into 9 because this is in that 90s table. Oh sorry. हाँ, तो ये अपने पास में क्या है, 93 है. 93 का मतलब कहाँ आएगा 93? आफ्टर 90. तो यहाँ अपने पास में 10 into 9. क्लियर? नाउ सेकेंड थिंग, वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिविएशन. एंड व्हाट्स अबाउट द डिविएशन? एक्चुअल नंबर minus sub base. So what is the sub base? 90. 93 minus 90 is equal to 3. So one thing, deviation is 3. Sub base is 10 into 9 and base is 10. It's a clear? So first of all, we have to find out the values of the base, sub base and deviation. After all, we will go through the solutions. And what is the solution? Look at your screen. The 93 square is equal to, first of all, sub base digit. This is the sub base digit. After all, your number, what is your number? 93 plus deviation slash square of deviation. It's a clear? So this is the formula. What is the formula? I am also writing on your screen. First one, what is this? Sub base digit. It's a clear? Second one, the given number plus deviation. Okay? And slash deviation square. Clear? Okay. So now 93 and 9, 96, multiply by 9 and 3 3s are 9. 9 6 are 54, remaining 5. 9 9s are 81, 81 and 5, 86. It will be remain same. Now 9, 4, 6, 8. This is your answer. It's a clear? It is very simpler. So what we have to be learn? First thing, what is the formula? And what is the formula? The subbase, if subbase is there, then subbase digit bracket number plus deviation slash square of the deviation. It's a clear? Okay friends, so this was the first formula, Yavdunam Tavdunam. Okay friends, now I will discuss about the second formula, and second one is Sutra Anurupena. Sutra Anurupena. So all these formulas are in the Sanskrit language. So what is the question? It is in your book is given, find the square of 16. 16 का स्क्वायर फाइंड करना है. तो अनुरूपेण में क्या होता है फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों को इसके कॉलम्स बनाने पड़ते हैं. कॉलम फर्स्ट, column second and column third. It's clear? And now we have to arrange the number in a order. And what is the order? First of all, from left side to first number, it means 1, 1's square. In second one, 1 into 6. In दोनों का product. And in last one, the square of the second digit. It's clear? In first column, the square of first digit. In second one, the product of the both digit, and in third one, the square of the second digit. It's clear? Okay. Now calculate. 1's square is 1, 6 1 जा 6 and 6 6 जा 36. One thing more, जो मिडल वाला सेक्शन है इसमें जो प्रोडक्ट आया वो ही प्रोडक्ट इसमें एक बार से दोबारा से ऐड करना है. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज 36, 6 and 6 12 and this is 1. अर्लियर व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, पहले वाले क्वेश्चंस में किया था ना कि लाइक एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म की जैसे लिखना है वैसे इसमें लिखना है. अब एक एक कॉलम से 1 डिजिट को नीचे ब्रॉट डाउन करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 6 6, व्हाट्स अबाउट 3, इस 3 को इस 2 में ले जा करके ऐड कर देना है. देन 3 + 2 = 5 और ये 1 इसमें ले जा करके ऐड कर देना है. देन 1 and 1 2. सो दैट्स वे 16th square is 256. It's clear? So this is the Sutra Anurupena. Clear? सूत्र अनुरूपेणा में क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आपको 3 कॉलम बनाने हैं. फर्स्ट कॉलम में फर्स्ट वाला नंबर, सेकंड कॉलम में दोनों नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट और थर्ड वन में थर्ड वाले नंबर का स्क्वायर. ठीक है. इनको कैलकुलेट करने के बाद में जो वैल्यूज आ रही हैं मिडिल वाले के अंदर जो वैल्यू आ रही है वही वैल्यू उसमें दोबारा से ऐड करनी है. 100 आए तो 100 ऐड करना है, 50 आए तो 50 ऐड करना है, 10 आए तो 10 ऐड करना है. क्लियर. उसके बाद में मैंने आपसे बताया कि इसको एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म की तरह लिखना है और हर कॉलम से एक एक डिजिट को आपको नीचे मेंशन करना है. ठीक है. तो 1 डिजिट फ्रॉम एवरी कॉलम ब्रोट डाउन. ठीक है. So that's where we have got 6 and 3 + 2 5 and 1 and 1 2. So that's where we have got the 16th square is equal to 256. Clear? Okay. So now I am going to talk about the third one. And what is the third one? Third one is Sutra Ekadikena Purvena. एकाधिकेना पूर्वेणा. ओके फ्रेंड्स, एंड ये क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दैट फाइंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ 45. इट्स क्लियर? ओके. सो हाउ विल बी फाइंड? वेरी सिंपल. अब एकाधिकेना पूर्वेणा मीन्स पूर्व. इट मीन द अर्लियर नंबर. विच इज द अर्लियर नंबर? अर्लियर नंबर इज 4. So first of all 4 into एकाधिकेना पूर्वेणा. सो एकाधिक 4 से 1 ज्यादा, 4 से 1 ज्यादा, तो 4 + 1 कितना हो गया हमारे पास में? 5. इट्स क्लियर? ओके. एंड व्हाट्स अबाउट द लास्ट वन? 5's स्क्वायर. ओके. एकाधिकेन मीन्स अर्लियर नंबर का उससे 1 ज्यादा और सेकंड कॉलम में जो लास्ट नंबर है उसका स्क्वायर. सो दैट्स वे 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25 and your answer is 2025. इट्स क्लियर. इस वाले में हम लोगों को एकाधिक एन पूर्वेणा में एक कॉलम में से एक डिजिट नहीं उतारना है. 2 डिजिट है तो 2 के 2 ही आपको मेंशन करने हैं. क्लियर. एक एग्जांपल और बताता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल ये आपके पास में 85 है. अब 85 का स्क्वायर फाइंड करना है तो किस तरीके से करेंगे? एकाधिक एन पूर्वेणा. सो विच इज द अर्लियर नंबर? अर्लियर नंबर इज 8. सो 8 and what's about the ekadhik and purvena? Mean 1 more than 8, so it will be 9. And what's about the last number? That is the 5, the square of the 5. So 8 9s are 72, 5 5s are 25, and this is 7225. This is the answer. It's a clear. So that's way we make the solutions of the questions on the basis of ekadik and purvena. Yes. So now next one is the sutra sankalana vyavakalana. Earlier we have done first, second and third. Now this is the fourth one, and we have to find out the square of 23. It's a clear. So what is the sankalana vyavakalana? Earlier I told you that the sankalana vyavakalana is a Sanskrit term, and sankalana means the addition and vyavakalana means the subtraction. Sankalana jodna, vyavakalana means ghatana. It's a clear. So how will we do? First of all, what is the number is given? So given number is 23, and add the deviation number. What is the deviation number? 3 is the deviation number. Okay. So this is the sankalana. And what's about the vyavakalana? 23 minus 3. Okay. And plus square of deviation number. So what is the deviation number? Deviation number is 3. It's a clear. First of all 23 plus 3. Second one 23 minus 3 plus square of deviation number. So 23 plus 3 is equal to 26. And second 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. And 3 square 3 3s are 9. It's a clear. And there is no sign. It means 26 multiplied by 20 plus 9. 26 2s are 52. That's why we have got 520, and this is 9. And finally we got 529. This is the answer. Okay. So this is the square of 23 by using of formula sankalana vyavakalana. It's a clear, friends. Okay. And now finally this is the Dvandva Yoga method. So what is the Dvandva Yoga? It is very simple. Earlier we have done the multiplications of which formula? Urdhva Tiryagabhyama. Like this we sort out the problems on the basis. Yes. Now is the Dvandva Yoga method. So how will we make the solutions on the basis of the Dvandva Yoga method? First of all, find the how many digits are there. So 1 2 3 digits. So first of all we have to prepare the columns. So how will we find the number of the columns? There is the formula 2n minus 1. 2n means number means how many digits are given. So that's way 2 into 3 minus 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. तो इसमें कितना कॉलम बनाना है? 5 कॉलम्स. फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड, थर्ड, fourth and fifth. It's a clear. Now we have to mention the numbers. In the first column the square of the first digit. In second column first digit and second digit. First digit and second digit multiply by 2. In third column the third digit first digit and third digit multiply by 2 plus square of the middle digit. In fourth one second digit and third digit multiply by 2, and in last column the square of the last number. It's a clear. इस तरीके से हम लोगों को इन नंबर्स को मैनेज करना है. Again look at the screen carefully. In the first column the square of the first digit. In the second column first two digit multiply by 2. Clear. In third column the digit number first and third this is the first and third, multiply by 2 plus square of the middle one. Clear? In fourth column, the second digit and third digit multiply by 2. Second digit and third digit multiply by 2. And in last column, the square of the last digit. Clear? Now make the solution. 4 4 ja 16, 5 4 ja 20, 22 ja 40. Clear? 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, and 15 2 ja 30, 3 3 ja 9. Now we have to be the mention in the form of exponent form, which we have done earlier, like this: 16, 4 0, 24 and 25, 49, 3 0 and 9. It's a clear? Now we have brought down each number, one number from each section. So in first one 9, second one 0, and 3 and 9 12. So this is 2, and what's about the remaining one? Remaining one will be add in 4. So that 4 and 1 5, 5 plus 0 5. And what's about the 4? 4 will add in the 16. So 16 and 4 20. It's a clear? That's way we can find out the solution on the basis of the Dvandva Yoga. Suppose that you are unable to sort out the problems on the basis of the Dvandva Yoga. Earlier I have told you the Urdhva Tiriya Gabhyam. So you can make the sum part of this question in the rough work, and after you can vary it. How? So look at your on screen. 16, 4 5 ja 20 plus 4 5 ja 20. Clear? Now 4 3 ja 12, 5 5 ja 25, and 3 4 ja 12. It's a clear? 3 5 ja 15, and 3 5 ja 15, and 3 3 ja 9. Okay? Now make the sum of all the numbers. 16, 20 plus 20 is equal to 40, 12 plus 12 24, 24 and 25 49, 15 and 15 30, and this is the 9. It's a clear? So friends, look at the screen. These both numbers are same. Clear? So if you are unable to sort out on the basis of the Dvandva Yoga, then you can go through the Urdhva Tiriya Gabhyam. It's a clear? लेकिन ये वाला पोर्शन आपको नहीं लिखना है, आपको डायरेक्ट सेकेंड स्टेज और थर्ड स्टेज लिख करके फिर फाइनली ये स्टेज लिखना है. It's a clear? I think that's all for today, and the remaining part of the lesson we will discuss in our next class. Till then, goodbye and thanks a lot.